morning, students. Today I am going to prove a very important theorem that is of class 9 NCERT, and this theorem is of triangles. What is the theorem? Now this theorem number is 6.8. The theorem is, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. That means ABC is a triangle. If a side of a triangle, so we have produced a side, the side BC of the triangle ABC till to the point D. Then the exterior angle, this is the exterior angle so formed, is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. That means we have to prove that this angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. Okay, this is the theorem. So first we will write that given ABC is a triangle, the side BC is produced to the point D, and the exterior angle so formed is angle ACD. Okay, given ABC is a triangle and the side BC is produced to the point D, and the exterior angle so formed is angle ACD. We have to prove what we have to prove. Now the angle ACD equal to sum of opposite interior angles. That means angle A plus angle B. So angle A we can write it as BAC plus angle B can be written as ABC. This is the proof. So to prove this theorem, we need to have a drawing on the picture, that on the figure, such that what we will draw. First let us draw. What did you draw? CE. Let it name as CE. Let us draw a line. Let us draw a line through C parallel to AB. Let us draw a line CE through C parallel to AB. That is AB parallel CE. Okay, it have to be drawn. Now the proof. Now we proceed to the proof. Here you can see we have already written that AB is parallel to EC. Here AB parallel to EC, and AC is the transversal, and AC is the transversal. Okay, then AC is the transversal. Then we know that this angle and this angle is interior opposite angle. Because AB is parallel to EC and AC is the transversal. So therefore angle BAC equal to angle ACE. Reason, opposite alternate angles. Opposite alternate angles. So let it be named as 1. Again, look, AB is parallel to EC and BD is the transversal. How? Now just look at this. The figure of it's AB and it is EC. So let BC be the transversal. Whatever it is at the end. But if it would be in the middle, then the figure would come out like this. Then this is a transversal. So this angle would be equal to this angle. That means this angle is equal to this angle. What type of angle they are? They are corresponding angle. Again, AB parallel to EC and BD is the transversal. Therefore, angle ABC equal to angle ECD. Reason? Corresponding angle. Let it named as 2. Now adding 1 and 2. What we will get? BAC equal to ACE. So adding 1 and 2, we will get angle BAC plus angle ABC equal to angle ACE plus angle ECD. Now we can see that ACE plus ECD is equal to, we can write ACD equal to angle ACD. So look at this. The proof has already been done. BAC plus ABC is equal to ACD. So that is ACD equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. So this is the PROVD proved. So I think you have understood the proof, and if you have any problem regarding this theorem or any other theorem, then you can comment me, then I will try to solve. Thank you.